Hi everyone, I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Aspect's Extreme B17. So if you have noticed that your skin is looking a little dull and lifeless, then the Extreme B17 serum is your go-to boosting serum. It promises to turbocharge your current skincare regime with its brightening, hydrating, soothing, calming and skin firming ingredients. Now the B17 is a blend of 8 vitamin B complex including niacinamide, which helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles, prevents transepidermal water loss, calms and soothes. It also contains Aspect's signature blend of Kakadu plum, Davidson plum, desert lime, pepperberry and lemon myrtle, all a complex of super rich antioxidants which provide vital nutrients to your skin. Now, along with the Canadian willow herb, it will calm and soothe the skin. It's perfect for any post-laser microneedling treatments. Now, this is suitable for all skin conditions, especially dull, oily and congested skin. Can be used both day and night. You would dispense 1 pump to clean skin and apply over the entire face. A tightening effect may be felt on the face. You would then apply your prescribed moisturiser and an SPF in the day, and at night you would use your night cream. Now this can be used with any prescribed Aspect products. So a great tip with this is that it can be cocktailed. You can use it with any other water-soluble serums. So if you would like to purchase the Aspect Extreme B17, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.